Well, hello. Here we are at the little dam spillway waterfall thing. Morning after a horrible Husker defeat. Very, very embarrassing. See if we can cure that depression a little here. Just cast my first 2 rods in. Just using worm. Brought some cut bait, but it's way too soft. I cast and it just falls right off the hook. Horrible. Oh, I'm already getting a bite. This one. Little guy. I'm going to cast this one right against the waterfall over there. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I'm already getting a bite on that one too. Yep. Already getting mini bites. Holy crap. Alrighty then. See if we can catch a couple fish today. Look at that. Already getting a bite right there. Just cast that thing. Oh. Yeah, what a horrible, horrible game last night. So embarrassing. I think Scott Frost is good as gone, sadly. I had high hopes for him. But what can you do? What can you do? Yeah, just fishing with worms right now. So let's get it. My son is over there searching for fossils, and he just brought over some awesome fossils. Those are awesome. Oh, a little fossil clam. Awesome. He's good at finding fossils. I've already gotten bites on all 3 poles. Not gigantic bites, but they're fish. Hey, what can you do? Yeah, we've been here a few times. Caught a few flathead, couple carp, drum. I even caught a bass over there in that corner. Right there. All the flathead are right in here, it seems like. Right by the dam. And over there in that hole right here. Big, big, big flathead in here. Oh. Come on, fishies. Let's get a 30-pounder today. Come on. Oh my. I missed that one on camera, but I caught a good one here. It's decent. It's decent. It's decent. Oh, it's a little drum. Nice. Nice little drum here. Alrighty then.
Nice size drum. It looks like it was already hooked down here.
Yeah.
It's like it tried to get it.
I barely had him too. Nice little drum bud here.
It's like it was trying to get it, but then it missed, and then it hooked itself, and then it got out, and then did it again, and then
Hello.
it got it. Can you throw it back?
Yeah, you can throw them back. There you go, bud. Goodbye. Got us another one here. That's literally like 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes. Oh, that's a good fighter. Probably another drum. Alrighty then. What do we have here? Oh. Another drum. Littler one here. Nicely done. Oh, it fell off. At least we caught him. At least we caught him. Want to grab him, bud? Oh, careful, careful. Hold him down so he doesn't flop and grab his mouth. Put your thumb all the way in his mouth. They don't have teeth. There you go. Show the camera. Or drop him again. Go ahead, kill him. Yeah, nice drum. Woo! Let's see what this globulation catches here. Probably a flathead. I'll put money on it. Or another drum. We caught 2 drum. There we go. Right. Oh, yeah. You found a geode? You found a geode, you said? Alrighty then. Let's catch us another fishy. Well, what did you find? Show us. Show. Come here. A geode.
It's broken.
Another geode.
And whole, I'm pretty sure.
Nice one. And a geode in the rock. Nice. Can you get that out?
Yeah, I'll try.
It's going to be awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, I saw a couple other YouTubers out here fishing. And they wouldn't tell me where this place was, so I had to search and search and search and find out exactly where it was. One of them said, if I find it, don't tell anybody. It's a secret. Absolute secret. This is so awesome. I think you can rent this place. Don't quote me on that, but I think you can. Yeah, it's probably, I don't even know, $5,000 per week. I don't even know. I couldn't tell you. Yeah, we couldn't get it out, but it was definitely a geode. Absolutely awesome. See the calcite in there, and pretty cool.
Found another thing.
What the heck is that?
Not sure. That could be the inside of a geode. This geode could have been big.
This place is loaded with awesome geodes and fossils. We love coming down. Oh, move, bud, move.
I did that.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah.
Aw.
Sorry, I accidentally.
You tricked me.
I accidentally hit it.
You tricker. It's not Halloween yet. I want some treats, but I don't want any tricks. Not yet, though. Yeah, I'm thirsty too, bud. Oh, that was a nice little bite there. Still on too, isn't it? Oh, just a little nibble. It's a nice little bite though, huh?
Looks like there was a geode here.
Yep. Yes, sir. Oh my. James just found some awesome crinoids. Crinoid fossil, I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty cool. That's awesome. Really cool. There you go. That's really, really cool. That's the best one we've ever found. It's awesome. Getting a nibble. Getting a nibble. Come on, fishy. I know you want it.
Yeah, he wants it, but he probably won't take it.
Come on.
He might.
You can see it moving. Come on. That's what they've been doing for the last 20 minutes. Oh, oh my. Hopefully I got that one. That was a good bite. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Take it. It's cool. Is he finally going to take it? I doubt it. Come on. Oh, just take the worm, fishy. I don't know. It's like they're stealing all my bait, just taking the worms off the hook and saying thanks for the free meal. Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Oh, that's awesome.
And this.
Oh, yeah. That's for some stink bait. Finding hooks all over the place down here. Can't complain about a free hook. Oh.
Look at that. That's a very nice river.
Good find. Oh, I got a big one. Oh, did it get off? No, it's still on. Oh, my. This is I don't even know what it is. A big drum. Okay, don't break off. Please don't break off. That's a nice drum, dude. Nice. He's been playing with my stuff for a while. It's a nice little drum right there. Got him. Buddy, can you hold my pole? Thanks. You're the best. All right, let's... Yeah. We might use him as bait if I can get him in. Oh boy. Uh-oh. And I fell on my ass. Yeah. I am soaked. Soaked. Got him. No, I didn't. He's a slippery little guy. Yep, he made me fall on my ass. Therefore, he's going on a hook. Thanks, little drum bud. Yeah. Let's see if we can catch ourselves a flatty. You got worms on that one, bud? Alrighty then. Let's cast this oversized rod here. Oh yeah, right against that waterfall, right where that hole is. Absolutely. Alrighty then. Nice. Well, getting a little bit more bites here. See that? Oh yeah. All right, am I gonna catch this one? That'd be nice. Come on, fishy, fishy. I'll release you, most likely. I'm getting a bite on that cut bait out there, cut drum. I'm getting a bite on that one too over there. I'm getting bites on all three of them right now. Oh my. Oh, oh. Come on, fishy. Am I gonna catch it? Come on. I should have set my hook right there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna give this place about another, I don't know, 15 more minutes. We've been here for about an hour and a half. Got 3 drum and 1 almost drum got off the hook. I want to catch a flathead, but it doesn't seem like that's going to happen. Every single time we've come here, we've caught a flathead, except today so far. All right, I'll put this one back down for a couple more minutes, maybe. Oh my, breaking news. I just got the word that Scott Frost has been fired. Just exactly what I said at the beginning of this video. Oh my, that was a big bite. That was a massive bite. Oh my, another one. Oh, I missed it. I missed this one. The middle one got a bite. Yeah, my dad just texted me that Scott Frost got fired. That sucks. I mean, it's good, but it sucks because I like him. I've met him a few times. And the nicest guy in the world. But I'm gonna go. We probably found more geodes and fossils than catching any fish.
Look, I think this is the field. I'm not sure. It does have a pocket in there.
It's pretty swell.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, my dad just texted me, said Scott Frost was fired, so I have to go and look this up and see if it's 100% true. It's sad, but bring on the Urban Meyer regime. What the flip is that? Hold on a minute. What is that? Do you see it swimming across? I lost it. Is it a turtle or a snake? You can't see in this video. A lot of bubbles. No, I can't see it in this video. Videos don't do justice at all. But yeah, my dad said Scott Frost was fired, so I had to go do some research and stuff. So if you want to, see more videos like this, that'd be friggin' awesome. I'd gladly do more. I'm just starting this thing out. Hopefully I can do good, like all the other big fishing YouTubers. So if you want, you could like, comment, subscribe, would be flippin' sweet, as Napoleon Dynamite would say. So well, it's been real here. in southern Nebraska. Pretty sweet here. Pretty darn sweet. I'll do many, many, many more videos here. Not too many. Don't want to overdo it. I'll go to many other places on the river. All right then. Like, comment, subscribe would be sweet. All right. Peace.